Oh. Is he so silly?
Yeah.
Oh, are you a monster?
No.
No.
What a monster.
Say, arr! Colin, where's Max?
Max. Right there, Mom, right there.
Is that Max? Give Max a hug. Give him kisses. No, no kisses for Max.
I can see Maxie. I see him.
There's the lovable, lovable Max. Hey, Maxie. Oh, look at that's a face only a mother could love, and the mother doesn't even love him.
Why?
Do you love your Max?
Yeah.
I know. Oh, wait, you move your finger.
Why?
Colin, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.